Have you ever seen a company so focused on chasing its rival that it risks losing itself in the process? That's the big question hanging over Samsung right now with the upcoming Galaxy S26 series. And if things go the way they're shaping up, this launch could be a complete disaster unless Samsung plays one very bold card. Here's what's going on. For years, Samsung has been known as the brand that pushes boundaries, big screens before anyone else, foldables when people thought they were impossible, and the Galaxy Ultra line that felt like no other phone. But with the Galaxy S26, Samsung seems to be falling into a trap that Apple set, and it could backfire badly. So, how many models does the Galaxy S26 lineup have? Too many, according to critics. At first, Samsung wasn't even planning on releasing a Plus version because, historically, it hasn't sold well compared to the standard and Ultra models. Instead, they wanted to try something new with the Galaxy S26 Edge, a slimmer model that takes design inspiration from the iPhone Air, which itself was inspired by the Pixel 10. Confusing already, right? The problem is, the market has shown over and over again that people don't really want slim models with smaller batteries. Demand just isn't there. But instead of scrapping it, Samsung decided to keep the Edge, bring back the Plus. And now, believe it or not, we're looking at for Galaxy S26 models coming next year. The Ultra will obviously get attention. The standard S26 will sell. But the Edge and Plus? Most buyers have already proven they don't care for them. So why flood the lineup with two extra models nobody asked for? Instead of making the series stronger, it could end up watering everything down. But here's where it gets interesting. There's talk of a wild card, something that could turn the S26 event from disappointing to unforgettable. I'm talking about the rumored Galaxy TriFold. Imagine a phone that doesn't just fold in half, but folds in three, opening up into a whole new form factor. That's something only Samsung can pull off, and it would instantly grab headlines worldwide. Think about it, Apple is rumored to launch its first foldable iPhone with the iPhone 18 next year. If Samsung plays it safe with the S26, it'll look like they're just reacting to Apple again. But if they unveil the TriFold alongside the S26 lineup, suddenly they're not chasing Apple, they're out-appling Apple. They'd be showing the world that they're still the leader when it comes to innovation. The truth is, Samsung needs to copy smarter. Apple never rushes into new categories. They wait, perfect the idea, and then roll it out as if they invented it. Samsung, on the other hand, sometimes throws too many devices at the wall just to see what sticks. That strategy isn't working anymore. Instead of 4 models with overlapping features,